Howdy y'all, Country Fried Gamer 150 here, and in this video we're going to be featuring this 500 gram cake, Wind Up. 36 shots. Effects on this is yellow tails to brilliant multicolored palms, dahlia, glitter, and pearls. Finishes with a beautiful finale of 6 silver tails to rose red pearls with timed rain. Chrysanthemum builds into a crescendo with long-lasting effects. And if you want to watch all the fireworks that I set off, you can click the card at the end of this video to watch the stream. Thank you all for coming out and watching. Take care and God bless. See you in the next video. Wind up. In 3, 2, 1.